promise of community action.
Community action changes people's lives.
Embodies the spirit of hope.
Improves communities.
And make America a better place to live.
We care about the entire community.
And we are dedicated to helping people help themselves and each other.
We are helping people, changing lives.